महिलाएं जो हैं इंश्योरेंस से बड़ा दूर भागती हैं and insurance is always a man's domain, but here you are.
The purpose of insurance is so pure.
Meet Kriti Arora, a seasoned marketing professional with 13 years of experience in telecom, BFSI and life insurance sectors. She's currently serving as Vice President Marketing at Axis Max Life Insurance. Having a proven track record of leadership and innovation, she's the perfect woman to talk to about how to overcome the challenges faced by women in the corporate sector. Let's talk a little about you being a woman in a man's world. तो corporate sector में किस तरह के challenges face करते हो आप?
Never ever have I felt the differentiation or an unjust behavior just because I'm being a woman. You're not given any opportunity because you're a woman, you're not being treated fair because you're a woman, etc. etc. But today organizations are doing a lot to bring women and give them the right opportunity.
What are these things that the companies are doing for women?
Big one is flexible working hours. So today as a woman, if you want to get some flexible working, high probability the organization may allow it. Dusra, obviously good health insurance coverage. For women there might be an extra coverage for maternity benefit, child benefits, all of that are there. Many organizations also have crash benefits. कि आप बच्चे को लेके आओ, these are real problems, right? That women have to face. They have to manage home now with nuclear family set up more and more. It's becoming very challenging.
कॉर्पोरेट सेक्टर में जहाँ पे परफॉर्मेंस प्रेशर इतना ज़्यादा होता है, वर्क प्रेशर इतना ज़्यादा होता है, वहाँ पे मे बी लेट्स से इफ देयर इज़ अ वुमन हु इज़ परफॉर्मिंग रियली वेल इन व्हाट शी इज़ डूइंग, बट देन शी गेट्स प्रेग्नेंट एंड नाउ शी नीड्स कम वर्किंग आवर्स उसको करने हैं, या शी नीड्स टू स्पेंड मोर टाइम एट होम. डज इट नॉट अफेक्ट द कंपनी इन द लॉन्ग रन देन? Too much networking happening on my set, huh?
Which way should I look, there
Me.
or
I was it too fast? No.
Sound is rolling. Hi Kriti.
Hi.
Welcome to the sets of Candid Confessions.
So glad to be here.
तो सबसे पहले तो मुझे ये बताइए कि मोस्टली हम देखते हैं कि महिलाएं जो हैं इंश्योरेंस से बड़ा दूर भागती हैं and insurance is always a man's domain, but here you are. You chose a profession in insurance.
Yeah.
So I want to know, how is it being in the insurance field when you know that it's, I don't know, as a woman I find it pretty boring.
So from the outside it does sound boring, right? But the purpose of insurance is so pure. कि आप जब उसमें काम करते हो आपको लगता है वाओ, मतलब बिकॉज व्हेन यू आई थिंक हम बोलते हैं उसको मोमेंट ऑफ ट्रुथ. द बेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ इंश्योरेंस इज दैट व्हेन अ ट्रेजेडी रियल हैपन्स, व्हेन द रियल लाइफ that moment of truth comes and somebody dies, and just go and hand over a check to the family. I think once you do that, you will connect to the real purpose of insurance and you're like, oh wow, what a job you're doing, right? So from that perspective, I think I've personally enjoyed. I've now been 7 years in life insurance specifically, and I think it's been a great journey, and the entire purpose is so fulfilling for sure.
तो अभी सच्ची सच्ची बताओ, आपके घर में बिटवीन यू एंड योर हस्बैंड इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसीज किसके पास है ज़्यादा?
दोनों के पास है, एक्चुअली दोनों के
तो
पास है.
आप डिसाइड करते हो, डू यू गाइड हिम ऑल्सो कि ये लेना चाहिए, ये लेना चाहिए?
No, I think he's also quite aware कि क्या लेना चाहिए. But yeah, honestly, maybe because awareness of life insurance is so low in our country, and that's the reality we deal even as a marketeer here. कि थोड़ा तो gap है. When I also came in the sector and I started, I was like, oh shit, why do I not have a term insurance?
Yeah.
तो वो awareness gap definitely है. And as you understand the importance of it more and more, like यार ये क्यों नहीं लिया?
So why don't you say something to the women who are watching this? Why should they be more informed about insurance decisions in the family?
So I think पहले तो women के लिए ना थोड़ी good news है, which women are not aware, is term insurance. First of all, it's anyways so reasonable. At a 500-700 per month, you can get a cover of 1 crore. We say it's as cheap as spending so much on coffee that we spend every month. So from that perspective, it's so reasonable. So term insurance, which we say the purest form of life insurance, तो मतलब no brainer है. अगर आपके पास नहीं है तो you are just not being fair to your family, right? And as more and more women are coming in the working force, right? Life insurance is what? It's all, at the end, family codes. If you care for your family, if you're earning, reality is that, something may happen to you. And then what happens to your family when you're not there is the most fundamental this thing. And the benefit is that, you know, women life insurance cost is cheaper than men. So you have special discounts because the life of a woman is longer than a man, so the rates are lower. Then another reality is that we also suggest that women should definitely have a critical illness rider. All should have, but women are also more prone to critical illness diseases. So
Okay.
all in all, you know, for women I would say it becomes more important than even men. But yeah, definitely I think life insurance, specifically term insurance, तो सबको ही लेना चाहिए. मतलब it's a no
Now
brainer
that you're
for sure.
saying it, I'm also thinking it makes a lot of sense.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
I think I do have life insurance policies, but the decisions have been taken by my husband.
हाँ, बट इस लाइफ इंश्योरेंस की ना दो चीज़ें और बहुत फनी है. एक तो वैसे ही द इंश्योरेंस गैप इन इंडिया, लाइफ इंश्योरेंस गैप इज इंडिया इज सो वाइड, सो टू से. गवर्नमेंट केम अप एंड, यू नो, दे सेड बाय 2047 we should have insurance for all. So regulator is also doing a lot of stuff to create that awareness along with the industry. Industry came together and did this entire campaign to say life insurance ज़रूरी है, but still the gap is high. And you know, we also go out and understand from a consumer mindset कि लोग क्यों नहीं लेते life insurance, इतना reasonable है. You know, when COVID hit, that's when the life insurance saw its peak. Because people never thought they will die. It's such a tough conversation to have and to think that, you know, something may happen to you. People just don't
Absolutely. So how do you have these conversations when you're selling that, you know, as a marketer, when you're selling that product to somebody?
Yeah.
How do you tell them कि भाई आपको जो है कल को कुछ हो भी सकता है?
हाँ, सो ये एक्चुअली इंडस्ट्री का टफेस्ट चैलेंज है, एंड स्पेशली फॉर मार्केटियर, राइट, जिसको वो स्टोरी टेलिंग करके हैज़ टू मेक श्योर दैट द प्रोडक्ट इज अंडरस्टूड वेल एंड इट्स सोल्ड वेल. If you look at let's say last 10 years or 15 years of the entire advertising that's happened in the life insurance, it's been anchored on fear. Because first, life insurance is a push product. कोई एजेंट आता है, आपको कुछ बताता है, तब आपको लगता है अच्छा चलो मैं, मोस्टली फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली में कोई एजेंट होगा, वो कहेगा आप ये पॉलिसी ले लो. तो एक तो प्रोडक्ट पुश प्रोडक्ट है, ऐसा नहीं है कि आप सोच रहे हो रोज चलो मैं लाइफ इंश्योरेंस. सो एक तो वो रियलिटी है. सेकेंड क्या होता है कि हमारी एंटायर एडवर्टाइजिंग की रियलिटी एटलीस्ट इफ़ यू लुक एट द लास्ट 15 years और सो, वो तो यही रही है कि यू नो आपको कुछ हो जाएगा, कल आपकी फैमिली को कुछ हो सकता है, समथिंग मे हैपन टू यू एटसेट्रा. दैट्स द, बट नाउ देयर इज अ शिफ्ट that's coming. You see more and more positive narratives. At least as a brand like ours, we try and say that, you know, you are so much more, and you're so valuable to your family. You are the core and the bharosa of your family. It's just a reflection of how much you care for them. So it's become more a positive narrative. And today, you know how the trends are changing, right? अब लोग थोड़ा सा वो light-hearted way में, we are trying to put together the narrative. The idea is just so that people understand.
I think you're right. COVID has changed people's perspective so much towards life.
Yeah.
Otherwise हम लोग वेट करते हैं कि कुछ लाइफ में जोल्ट आएगा तो हमको लगेगा कि अच्छा we can't take life for granted and we need to think about what
आप कोई भी
happens.
रिसर्च पढ़ोगे, ये रियलिटी है बाय द वे, कि वो ट्रिगर्स और बैरियर्स क्या है लाइफ इंश्योरेंस में. ट्रिगर इज व्हेन समथिंग हैपेंस in my family, then I think अच्छा यार हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस होना चाहिए, लाइफ इंश्योरेंस होना चाहिए. बैरियर क्या है? बिकॉज वी आर सच अ वैल्यू कॉन्शियस नेशन कि अच्छा महंगा है, ये तो पैसे वापस नहीं मिलेंगे. ऑल्दो देर आर स्टिल प्लान्स विच गिव यू द प्रीमियम ऑल्सो इन रिटर्न, बट पीपल थिंक कि अच्छा ओके 500 rupees I'll give every month or 700, a small amount, but still I won't get it back if nothing happens to me.
Yeah.
That's the biggest barrier because people are value conscious.
Yeah.
So that's a challenge that we have to
अरे आज की डेट में लोग अपनी स्क्रीनिंग्स, रेगुलर हेल्थ स्क्रीनिंग्स भी नहीं कराते हैं सोच के कि हमें कुछ नहीं होगा, हम क्यों फालतू में टाइम वेस्ट करें और पैसा वेस्ट करें. बहुत ऑप्टिमिस्टिक. बट एज समबडी इन द मार्केटिंग फील्ड, आई मीन लाइक यू सेड इट्स अ पुश प्रोडक्ट. तो आप अभी इयरिंग्स तो है नहीं कि भाई इतने के हैं खरीद लो बेच लिया, या FMCG गुड्स जो होते हैं वो तो है नहीं. सो व्हाट आर द चैलेंजेस दैट यू फेस व्हेन यू हैव टू डू योर जॉब वेल?
Okay, so FMCG and from a product type only, FMCG and life insurance on other extremes.
Yeah.
हम बोलते हैं कि या तो प्रोडक्ट जो है वो हाई फ्रीक्वेंसी है, तो FMCG on one hand is high frequency and life insurance is a low frequency product. You will buy maybe 3-4 times, 7 times in your life, maybe at a childbirth. These are multiple life stages which push you to buy life insurance. Second is FMCG तो इतना low involvement product है. It's more impulse buy, you see an ad, you may buy, you may find it on quick commerce, you may buy. On the other hand, life insurance is such a high involvement
Yeah.
product. So from a category standpoint, they are pretty different. Some principles across both FMCG and life insurance remain same, right? Today, both of them, from a media spend standpoint, are moving more and more towards digital spends. Less of traditional medium spends are being done. You see less on TV, less on out of home print as a percentage.
Yeah.
तो वो कुछ principles तो marketing के same रहते हैं, whether you do whatever industry. Although FMCG is the top 3 advertisers in India today on media spends will be FMCG because they contribute to, I think, almost 35% of the total annual, at least traditional media spends that happen. Traditional means print, TV, outdoor, etc. So, kuch principles of marketing remain same. Second, obviously, digital marketing and influencer marketing, I think you see it rampant across. Whether it is life insurance or it is, FMCG, you see that people try to target to that specific audience. So, I think those are some similarities. And as a marketer on life insurance, I think you have to go very targeted, you have to go very sharp. Today, life insurance is a very simple to buy online product also, apart from being an agent push. You can just go log into the website and buy yourself. So a lot of work happens on the entire performance marketing side, where you see an ad on Google or Meta and you click and you buy it yourself because it's pretty simple. So वो similarities और
ये जो
differences.
डिजिटल मार्केटिंग के प्रोज एंड कॉन्स भी होते हैं,
हाँ जी.
तो उसमें कभी ऐसा होता है कि किसी इन्फ्लुएंसर ने कंपनी को टैग कर दिया और कुछ गंदा रिव्यू छोड़ दिया, देन हाउ डू यू हैंडल दैट?
सो ऐसा तो होता ही है. आज कहाँ नहीं होता है, आई थिंक कौन से सेक्टर में नहीं होता है. बट ये जो डिबेट है ना कि सोशल मीडिया इज़ अ बून और अ बेन, माई लव फॉर डिजिटल एंड एज अ मार्केटर आई थिंक सोशल मीडिया इज गिवन यू सो मच पावर. सो वाइल इट गिव्स यू ऑन वन हैंड दीज इंस्टेंसेस कि हाँ चलो किसी ने टैग कर दिया, कोई बुरा रिव्यू दे दिया, we deal with it in a normal जो online reputation management team होती है सबके पास. We try and reach out to understand the issue because complaints तो होती ही हैं. इट्स जस्ट अ प्लेटफॉर्म दैट्स बीइंग गिवन टू पीपल. बट मुझे लगता है सोशल मीडिया का प्लस भी तो है. देयर आर सो मेनी पीपल, यू जस्ट नो द रिस्पॉन्स ऑफ एन एड लाइक दिस, यू पोस्ट समथिंग एंड यू नो इट्स वर्किंग और नॉट.
ग्रेटिफिकेशन.
हाँ, सो वो इंस्टेंट ग्रेट. सो आई थिंक सोशल मीडिया मतलब यू कैन ड्राइव ऑल सेंटिमेंट्स, राइट. एंड टुडे देयर आर सो मेनी टूल्स. आप चेक कर सकते हो कि आपके ब्रांड के बारे में पॉजिटिव बात हो रही है या न्यूट्रल हो रही है या नेगेटिव हो रही है. तो सो मेनी टूल्स अवेलेबल.
तो ऐसा भी होता है कि आप कॉन्वर्सेशन स्टार्ट भी कर देते हो?
Brands too. Yeah. So any content that we post is actually a conversation starter, right? Any deal that you do with an influencer, and let's say they post anything, if you're launching a new product and let's say they're explaining the product credentials or details, so wahin pe people have too much time, no? They do research, so active on social media these days.
That's true.
80 reels a day, kitni reels. So that's
कल ही मैं कहीं I was at an event yesterday and somebody was saying that the consumption per person in a day is 1700 reels a day. And it goes up to 2500.
India, but I read something counter also. एक तो digital consumption is at its peak with everybody now having an access to internet, etc., which is good. But from a media standpoint, India spends on digital is only 45%. 65% we are still very TV, print, out of home. While the digital benchmark of media spends is 75%. So there is a way to go as more and more Meta and Google ads become real. But yeah, consumption standpoint, though, social media is reality today.
So, and what are your thoughts on agentic AI?
Okay.
Customer care जो handle करता है जो AI, उसके बारे में क्या आपके views हैं?
So मुझे लगता है कि आज की डेट में यू कांट शट योर आइज एंड से कि आई डोंट केयर, AI है. एंड वेदर एज अ मार्केटर और एज अ बिजनेस ओनर ऑल्सो, राइट. सो एजेंटिक AI में दिखता है कि इट हेल्प्स यू डू लॉट ऑफ स्टफ एंड ब्रिंग्स यू, आई थिंक इट्स अ कैटलिस्ट to the work that we do, right? It's adding a lot of efficiency. अब सबको 24/7 customer service चाहिए, 24/7 agents चाहिए. तो agentic AI आपको वो platform देता है where you can automate a lot of stuff. Although इनफैक्ट मार्केटिंग में तो एजेंटिक AI, जेनरेटिव AI, इतना AI आ गया है कि इफ़ यू आर टुडे एज अ मार्केटियर और एज अ बिजनेस
Yeah.
शटिंग योर आई एंड सेइंग कि मुझे नहीं पता AI क्या है,
Then you're losing out.
हाँ यू लूजिंग आउट.
Yeah.
एंड यू नो वो डिबेट भी है ना कि AI विल रिप्लेस ह्यूमंस, तो हम वी गिव अ ट्विस्ट टू इट, से AI विल नॉट रिप्लेस ह्यूमंस. Humans who do not use AI may get replaced tomorrow by humans who use AI. So they are more like
But how important
enablers.
is the human touch in that?
See, human touch is here to stay. अगर मैं प्योर मार्केटियर बोलूँ तो वो क्रिएटिव इज द अल्फा, राइट? एंड क्रिएटिविटी इज नॉट गोना कम थ्रू चैट जीपीटीज ऑफ द
True,
वर्ल्ड.
true, true.
है ना? यू इनफैक्ट क्रिएटिव और मीडिया, अगर लेट्स से दीज आर द टू strong foundations of marketing. On the performance marketing side, media deployment side, it's all AI already.
Yeah, correct.
Google का Perf Max,
Yeah.
Meta will have its ASC, Advantage Shopping. पहले क्या होता था? Somebody who knows to deploy a campaign was the superstar.
Yeah.
Today everything has become so automated. You just do targeting, you tell what leads you want, what is the business goal, and it all does it by themselves. But on the creative side, I think creative will be the alpha
But
of
जैसे किसी को
marketing.
कुछ कंप्लेन है विद अ ब्रांड, सिंस यू आर इन द मार्केटिंग फील्ड, आई एम आस्किंग यू, किसी को कुछ कंप्लेन है और वो लगे पड़े हैं AI के साथ चैट कर रहे हैं, किसी बॉट के साथ लगे पड़े हैं, दे यू नो, आई मीन आई फील दैट एज अ कस्टमर इट गेट्स वेरी फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग आफ्टर अ
Frustrating,
पॉइंट.
हाँ.
You really need a human intervention in your
Correct.
conversation so that somebody can just understand what you're saying and
Of
not
course, of
put you
course.
in that loop. तो वो कैसे हैंडल होता है फिर?
So generally companies क्या करती हैं? They are not dependent only on AI. As I said, AI will be a big enabler in our journey.
So there are humans also.
So there are humans. तो वो क्या होता है कि शुरू के फिर asking a very mundane query. Let's say what's the price of this?
Right.
Where can I buy it? तो आप देखोगे generally AI होगा. और आजकल तो you know immediately, even if you go to any food, you're buying food online, you have a complaint, you know, immediately, okay, let me connect you to this. So I think as brands, as business owners, everybody understands, क्योंकि हम भी तो consumer है ना, we know.
correct.
Agentic AI also helps in a lot of analysis of data. Today, you know, I'll give you a very, very simple example of a business. There's so many calls that come at a call center, right? Now, what happens in a manual process? Somebody hears the call to see agent ने ठीक से बात करी, नहीं करी, क्या किया. Today, there are tools which will give you analysis of each of every call and give you a summary. What went wrong, what went right, आप क्या है जो better कर सकते हो इस कॉल में, क्या इन्फॉर्मेशन कस्टमर ने सीख करी. सो आई एम अ वेरी
अच्छा.
स्ट्रॉन्ग बिलीवर टू से कि यू नो इट्स एन एनेबलर.
So उसमें क्या कस्टमर की भी बुराई कर देता है ये AI कि कस्टमर वाज एट फॉल्ट?
नहीं, वो ह्यूमन कॉल्स को एनालाइज करके आपको बता देगा.
ठीक है.
लेट्स से ह्यूमन कॉल सेंटर इज अ
हाँ.
बिग इंडस्ट्री, राइट? टुडे सो मेनी. तो वो क्या कॉल पे क्या बात हुई, कस्टमर ने क्या पूछा. अब वन ऑप्शन इज यू गो टू दोस 5000 कॉल, somebody does the analysis.
हाँ.
Tools will only do the analysis.
Right.
These AI tools will just tell you कि you know ये
Right.
कस्टमर की क्वेरी ज़्यादा आ रही है, दिस इज द प्रोडक्ट दैट ही वांट्स, दिस इज द प्रोडक्ट ही डिडंट बाय. सो एनेबलर है वो. अगर आप सोचोगे कि इट्स गोना टेक योर जॉब्स, maybe some mundane jobs.
Yeah.
As a marketeer, you get some basic scripts done. Maybe you know, create images via tools like Midjourney. Just see what's happening. But it actually works on the past data that's fulfilled, right?
Right.
तो वो है तो fed in of what? So when it comes to the you know making new ads, thinking of your brand positioning, I think their human brain can't be replaced.
Okay, now tell me honestly, when somebody is buying an insurance policy, what are, as an insider, tell me, what are some things that we should look out for? जो फाइन प्रिंट होता है ना, जो हम मिस कर देते हैं.
हाँ, आई थिंक टर्म इंश्योरेंस में तो स्पेसिफिकली क्लेम पेड रेशियो इज योर मोमेंट ऑफ ट्रुथ.
Okay.
सो आपको ये चेक करना चाहिए कि कंपनी का क्लेम पेड रेशियो कैसा है, हाउ मेनी व्हाट परसेंटेज ऑफ क्लेम्स आर बीइंग एक्चुअली given.
Right.
So that's one. Second, you look at how old the company is, whether the brand is here, because you need life insurance when you're not there, right? It may
Yeah.
happen like years later. So
Yeah.
you may need to make sure. how big is the company, how old is that, big आप measure कर सकते हो, what's the background, you know, all the
तो
big
ये सब
brands.
इन्फॉर्मेशन कहाँ से मिलती है?
Anywhere.
Google,
You just
ChatGPT.
Google,
AI.
ChatGPT. If you are somebody who's more finicky, go to IIDA ka website. Find it's all there. I think
Okay.
it's very public. And consumers are becoming very aware
Yeah,
these days.
they
And
have
there's-
these kind of questions.
there's no information asymmetry now. It used to.
Yeah.
But now consumers are really aware.
And what does one do about the spam calls that we get from on behalf of reputed brands, but not after speaking to them for a certain amount of time,
Correct,
कि ये तो
correct.
spam call था.
Correct. See, I'll not give a defensive answer. That's the reality and a challenge lot of industries are facing. And BFSI, it becomes even more critical now because there's money involved.
Yeah.
So awareness is the only answer. Government is doing so much effort to create that awareness. You see so many ads saying jagruk raho, OTP mat
Yeah.
share karo. So I think that's the reality. Having said that, I'm sure all large organizations have proper data security in places, so there's no threat from that perspective.
Okay.
And today, you get sometime alert of spam when a call is coming, thanks
Yeah.
to the telecom providers. So I think from that perspective,
स्पैम कॉलर्स भी काफी AI यूज करते हैं. उनके भी एजेंटिक AI
AI
अपने
is
आप
an enabler
calls.
there also, no? So I think,
Okay,
yeah.
let's talk a little about you being a woman in a man's world, which is conventionally a man's world. तो corporate sector में किस तरह के challenges face करते हो आप?
See, honestly, कोई सॉफ्ट स्टोरी नहीं है मेरी. बट मुझे लगता है कि
मुझे सॉफ्ट स्टोरी चाहिए थी.
बट मुझे लगता है पॉजिटिव स्टोरीज भी उतनी ही बात होनी चाहिए ना, बिकॉज लिंक्डइन आप
course.
खोलोगे तो आपको इतना रैंट मिलेगा अगेंस्ट मैनेजर्स, ये हुआ. बट आई थिंक maybe I'm the lucky one, but last 14-15 years of my corporate have been a pretty smooth ride.
Okay.
Never ever have I felt the differentiation or an unjust behavior just because I'm being a woman. कि you're not giving you're not given any opportunity because you're a woman, you're not being treated fair because you're a woman, etc etc. ऐसा कभी हुआ ही नहीं. Honestly, in my head also, I never thought कि okay, I'm a woman, I need to get something extra. In fact, positive bias ज़रूर हो जाता है because there is so much pressure today on the organizations to bring women to the senior leadership roles. A lot of dropouts do happen. आज भी female ratio in a big organization which must be very diversity centric, maybe 35%, 35%. So you will realize that as you move up the ladder in a boardroom, there will be less and less women. That's the reality of our.
And what is the real reason behind it?
See, sometimes after life stage, after maternity, people don't come back. Women generally maybe वो initial education system से ही शुरू हो जाता है ना. Less women, how many are going for higher education, then how many are coming into the corporate workforce. So वो I think it's a cycle. It has to be solved at the root cause. But today organizations are doing a lot to at least the big ones are doing a lot to bring women and give them the right opportunity, get the policies in place which could help them manage work-life balance. वो superwoman tag तो है ही ना because it becomes
So you
difficult.
what are these things that the companies are doing for women?
See, everything. One is big one is flexible working hours, right?
Okay.
Today, many companies after COVID, especially hybrid workspace, is a reality today. So today, as a woman, if you want to get some flexible work, high probability the organization may allow it. Dusra, obviously, good health insurance coverage. For women, there might be an extra coverage for maternity benefits, child benefits, all of that are there. Many organizations also have crash benefits. कि आप बच्चे को लेके आओ, these are real problems, right? That women have to face. They have to manage home now with nuclear family set up more and more. It's becoming very challenging. In fact, I don't remember the organization name. Lot of dropouts happen after the life stage change happens, right? After a childbirth.
Okay.
So they had programs like come back after maternity, and they had special timings for them. So there are incentives,
which are being done.
things which are being done. I think that's when the real challenge starts. But yeah, otherwise, it's becoming so much about skill set these days, right?
I was just going to say that.
So it's becoming more about what skill do you have today than let's say the gender.
Yeah. How competent you are at doing what you're doing.
How competent you are, yeah. आप marketing में ही देख लो.
But आप देखो ना corporate sector में जहाँ पे performance प्रेशर इतना ज़्यादा होता है, वर्क प्रेशर इतना ज़्यादा होता है, वहाँ पे मे बी लेट्स से इफ देर इज़ अ वुमन हु इज़ परफॉर्मिंग रियली वेल इन वॉट शी इज़ डूइंग, बट देन शी गेट्स प्रेगनेंट एंड नाउ शी नीड्स क्या बोल रहे कम वर्किंग आवर्स उसको करने हैं, या यू नो शी नीड्स टू स्पेंड मोर टाइम एट होम, डज इट नॉट अफेक्ट द कंपनी इन द लॉन्ग रन देन?
सी कंपनीज ऑल्सो एटलीस्ट अगर आप उस लेवल पे हो, इफ़ यू आर अ गुड परफॉर्मर, कंपनी के लिए आप you are a very long term asset. They don't look at you at a short term asset. You know, there are policies like a rating protection policy. Now I'll tell you what, let's say you were rated 1 or a 2 out of a grade of 5. I'm just giving an example. Now if you go on a maternity benefit during that time, it's high probability that your rating will be protected what you were last year.
Okay.
So ऐसा नहीं है कि मतलब these are, and I'm sure companies are also, organizations are evolving over time. Not everybody may have all policies. Everybody is learning from what the others are doing. What benefits can they give? So they look at you as an asset for long term, and that's a reality. You know it when you are being recruited, right? In fact, मेरे male friends बोलते हैं कि ये क्या diversity hiring, because hiring से ही शुरू हो जाता है ना. Today you see so many job posts which will say female candidates only.
Oh.
तो the male gender starts feeling high
Left
chance
out.
है. हाँ, मतलब they'll say कि
मुझ में क्या कमी रह गई?
exact. That's what I'm saying. कि everybody, I don't want to say कि there are no challenges. ये तो मतलब controversial issue हो जाएगा. There are real challenges that women have to go through, undoubtedly. But high chance है कि अगर एक women और men both are being evaluated for a senior level, and they are at equal competence, most high women may get an opportunity because there is so much pressure today to bring women to senior management, to bring them up the ladder.
So what are these challenges that you're talking about? Jo, maybe you have not faced those, but what are the challenges that you've seen other women
drop-offs हो जाते हैं.
वो
So
सबसे
women
बड़ा
attrition is much higher than men.
मतलब in a company, if somebody is working in a company which is not really supportive of
हाँ, they may drop off. People may have a childbirth. They may not join back. But वो percentage जो मैं बोल रही हूँ ना, the root cause, वो hiring से ही शुरू हो जाता है. अब जैसे there will be some let's say profession like sales. You will find more and more men in the sales department because women may find it tough. मतलब it will
like
it's
you
not
don't want
right
to do a
to
field
say
job, for example.
field job, and you know the culture may be very aggressive. It may be tough from a timing perspective to manage. आप marketing और HR में देखोगे तो it'll be all women. More percent. But I think that's diversity to be valued. It's not something to be compared, right? And I think people are understanding this more as they are
but कभी ऐसा नहीं होता है कि as a woman when you go for a meeting and there are a couple of men and you're the woman, people don't really listen to you. नहीं, हाँ, मतलब it's actually happened with me. If I'm sitting in a meeting and I'm talking to somebody, the person is looking at the man with me and responding to him.
मे बी हुआ होगा, मैंने ऑब्जर्व नहीं किया, बट मुझे लगता है अब तो बेनिफिट है. आई यू नो एंजॉय बीइंग अ वुमन एंड आई मे बी इन द नेक्स्ट कमिंग बर्थ्स ऑल्सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी बीइंग अ वुमन. सो आई थिंक यू आर हर्ड मोर बिकॉज नाउ एवरीबडी सेइंग डाइवर्स व्यू क्या है. लेट्स हियर what everybody's opinion in the room. Anyways, out of 10, अगर आप एक senior meeting में बैठे हो, there may be only 1 or 2 women in the room. So now that trend is shifting. But honestly speaking, I've heard all kinds of stories. I've seen people going through a lot being a woman. जो आप differentiation की बात कर रहे हो कि opinion not being heard और hiring के time पे that you know it might, तो ऐसा होता है. People do face those challenges. I think there are both kind of stories because mine has been a positive story. I thought why not bring it out also. And because वैसे भी बहुत grief से fulfilled हैं ये stories.
But ऐसा कभी होता है किसी के साथ कि oh she's very hormonal right now, let's not talk to her. मतलब ऐसे प्रोफेशनल स्पेस में भी, ऐसे घर पे तो होता है.
वो आपस में तो देखो कुछ भी होता होगा. You can't stop this entire office gossip and bitching. But I'm sure the women also say for men now, what's wrong with them today?
Are you PMSing?
So we see now that men also PMS these days. So that might also happen.
Okay.
But,
So anything that you want to tell the women who want to join the corporate sector and are a little wary? I mean, we've all heard stories. I'm very happy that you brought out this perspective that, you know, things are changing in the corporate sector.
Yeah.
But still, लोगों को लगता है कि maybe I'll get bullied around, or maybe, you know, it'll be difficult for me to climb up the ladder with men being around. Maybe people are going to say that I'm hormonal And there are a lot of these feminists who are actually anti-feminists in a certain
for a
sense.
very long time now that you've asked me, for almost 3 years, I was the head of POSH committee for my organization, Prevention of Sexual Harassment.
Oh.
So I've seen the other spectrum also, as you say, and people are so scared, by the way, because these policies are. There is no POSH for men, by the way. It's a government thing, right? Prevention of sexual harassment for women. So there are so many policies. I would say only to women who are today planning to join the corporate world, ki one, you're secured because there are so many government policies and organizations policies enabling you and protecting you. That's one. Second, in your mind, you should never think, ki I'm a woman, so I need to get some benefit extra, or unless you need it, unless you
Right.
genuinely need it, right? As I said, if there's a life stage change, if you're going through something on your personal journey, you need that support, ask for it. You deserve it, right? But unless you are in a normal journey, fresh out of college, from an MBA or whatever, and you're joining a corporate, it's all the same platform for everybody, right? And today's skill is being valued so much, specifically in the marketing world, right? Those days are gone when college and all, obviously I'm a firm believer of having MBA from a premium
Right.
institute. I do all of that when I take interviews, but now those days are still being clubbed with so much. What do you know? So are you an SEO specialist? Do you know digital marketing? What certifications and what skill you bring to the table is becoming very important. And last is that you have to upskill yourself every time. You don't today, any industry that you sit in, any function that you sit in, or maybe marketing function specifically, I can do. It is so changed. None of it what I'm doing right now was learnt in college. If you stop upskilling yourself, then
you can't sit and blame that, I'm a woman and they're not letting me go up the ladder.
of course. So that's
Right,
the reality.
You're talking about pregnancy and all maternity breaks when they happen in a corporate sector. There are a lot that companies are doing for women. Is there something companies are doing for men as well, for paternity breaks?
Yeah, paternity breaks have increased. पहले क्या होता था? पहले तो मुझे लगता है शायद paternity breaks होते भी नहीं थे. Then they
नहीं
used to
होते
be
थे.
5 days. Now I
Yeah.
know of companies that give you at least 1 month of paternity breaks.
That's it.
हाँ, उतना ही है.
मतलब अगर किसी को पैटर्निटी ब्रेक लेना है और मैटर्निटी ब्रेक कम लेना है, so ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए option that the father should also get an option that his wife is working, so
I
the
think
father
maternity is also more guided by the government regulation, to be honest. I think recently only there was some Supreme Court discussion which said that 26 weeks तो mandatory है, it's your right, etc. I think there was some recent this thing. Paternity का option is 1 month right now. I think in organization 15 days to 1 month. But I think when I've seen people today, there are so many so to say hands-on dads that you say they take all I've seen in my office people taking flexible hours to pick up their kid from school, all of that. So I think वो organization समझती हैं. Flexibility is for both, right?
Right.
Women के लिए हो सकता है कुछ policies extra हो if you want to work half day, etc. But they're there for everybody. I can also tell you a very rare example. I've seen somebody taking a break from work. In fact, a paid break, or I think a sabbatical, because of the special child that they had, a father. So I think organizations are very, very empathetic these days. They understand the real challenges that people are going through in their lives, because वो रिसोर्स जो है ना वो लॉन्ग टर्म ही है. अगर आप आज हायर करोगे कल अट्रिशन होगा तो इट्स एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन लॉस ऑल्सो.
Correct.
So nobody wants to lose out good employees just because of
I think we always forget to look at that perspective from the company's
Yeah.
point of view as well.
Yeah.
It's not easy to hire good skilled people also, so
yeah.
you do also want to try your best to hold on to
you
people.
hire also good skilled people, and then you do so much of training.
Yeah.
Somebody comes and understands the organization culture, understands the every organization will have its some or the other nuance, dynamics,
Yeah.
people. हम एक और जोक बोलते हैं कॉर्पोरेट में कि no matter how big the culture, every organization will say our culture is so this, that, we're very empathetic. So we say that, on a lighter note, your manager is your culture. वही है, reality में तो वही है. If your manager is good, you're like, what a great organization. In the
Oh, yeah.
same organization, you may not have such a good manager. You're like, I don't like this
Yeah,
organization
yeah.
because
It's like a
there are
marriage,
all
no?
वही है.
My partner's good. I don't care how the extended family is
Yes,
looking right now.
yes, yes.
So, as a working woman, how do you balance your personal life with it? I mean, we always talk conventionally. We always talk ki, the man comes back home after a hard day's work and the wife is giving him food or whatever. You're not supposed to come into his space, give him some space just to be. So how do you handle it as a woman? I'm asking for all working women.
Yeah.
कि वो बहुत प्रेशर अपने ऊपर ले लेती हैं कि हमको ऑफिस में भी प्रोडक्टिविटी दिखानी है लेकिन घर पे आके भी प्रोडक्टिविटी दिखानी है, तो वो बैलेंस कैसे मेंटेन होता है?
So I think one is priority. So personally for me, because एक तो आपका ecosystem, you never go to office alone, right? There's an ecosystem that's working for all of us, right? There'll be a
Yeah.
maid that's coming who's cooking this, that, etc. So I think other thing is that वो perception that women is a superwoman.
हाँ.
Let's do it all perfect करना है
I
सब
think
कुछ.
women only have that
हाँ,
perception.
women. तो I went through some training जहाँ पे था how not to be a superwoman. This is a new trend. They don't take so much pressure on yourself to say, I want to be a superwoman. Okay, do what's comfortably,
Yeah.
what's comfortable for you. Set your priorities right. And we say for all genders, right, कि वो you have those 24 hours. It was told to me by one of my mentors saying कि वो 24 घंटे ही हैं आपके पास ज़िंदगी में. आप जहाँ ज़्यादा लगाओगे वहाँ पे आपको रिटर्न ज़्यादा मिलेगा. You see people slogging 18 hours at work. They may excel in corporate world. Obviously, it is coming at the cost of spending time with family.
Yeah.
Then there'll be people who may spend very limited, restricted hours at office. They may spend more time with family, more in their hobbies. So I think it becomes more about personal priorities. And but yeah, it's definitely a little more challenging than men for sure. But I think it's becoming a trend is also changing, especially urban में तो है ही है. Husbands are becoming equally involved at work. They know what responsibilities to share, what needs to be taken care when. So I think you just need to prioritize and balance and take breaks is all I can say when you think the time is right. We also say, 6 months promotion here and there in your life doesn't matter.
Yeah.
So as long as you just take away that pressure from you and you enjoy what you're doing, even in corporate, why not? Then you may not feel this burden, right? कि
Amazing.
क्या कर रहे
That's
हो?
really well said actually. जहाँ पे आप ज़्यादा time devote करोगे वो उस area में आप flourish करोगे. So if you just
Exactly.
balance everything, life is great.
Yeah,
Thank
yeah.
you so much for this conversation. And today I was actually looking forward to talking to you only about women, but I'm so happy that this conversation is it's gender neutral. कि corporate sector में आगे बढ़ने के लिए, whether you're a woman or a man, this is what you need to do, and it doesn't matter. It
Yeah.
doesn't matter. You have to upskill yourself, whether you're a man or a woman, doesn't matter. And I think, like you rightly said, in at least tier 1 cities, men, since they are also working with women in their offices, when they come back home, they understand their partners better. And men also, they are cooking also together, they are co-parenting together, and they are working together. And it's just the whole ecosystem around the house is also flourishing, I feel, and it's so
Yeah.
healthy that the man and the woman are growing together. So I think that's the thought that I'd like to leave my audience with also. Grow together and grow healthily together.
Yes.
And I wish you all the best for your journey. Thank you so
Thank
much for
you.
talking to us today. You guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe. You're watching Candid Confessions with Chavi. This is both of us signing out. Love and peace from us to you.